Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over the beginning steps on how to complete your Microsoft Excel certification for Office 365 Associate. Everyone should have received this Word document in an email. This just details the different training methods, how to upload, how to create a free geometrics account, which is where you'll practice, along with a few additional details. By now, everybody should have downloaded the Excel master file, which can be found on our website. There are videos also provided to you on how to download them, whether you're working on a Windows device or a Mac device. I'm going to open the file, and this is what it will look like. This master file is a macro-enabled file, so it is an XLSM file. We just want to make sure we put a few disclaimers out there. The first thing is you have to save this file every time you want to close it. So simply you would click Save up in the top ribbon and close your file. There's no autosave since this is a macro-enabled file. You have to do all your work in the same file so that when you upload it, all your work is in one file. We do welcome students to use AI. That is totally okay. Just please, you cannot share this file with other students or share your geometrics code. That will result in not being able to count this file towards your certification. You'd have to start over. Okay, starting off, we have our user info tab. This is the first sheet you're going to work with. Please just fill out your name, your student ID number, so that's your 855, the course number, the course name you're taking, and the professor of that course. We also just have 4 statements that we just would like you to read and check off, just saying that you agree to them. So simply just click them and you can check them off. Okay. Next, we have the TOC, which is the table of contents. There's a lot of links here. These are all to different videos, from down to how to install Office, maybe on your Mac that you don't have it installed on. Also, there's a whole Windows side that have specific videos. You'll notice only Chapter 2 has differences for Windows and Mac, and we'll get into that in a second. So you can follow all these for each step of the way. They're short. They're about 15 seconds to a minute max. There's also some additional ones down here which are good to look at. Okay, so you'll notice as you scroll over, each chapter has its own color. So Chapter 2 is in green, Chapter 3 is in pink, and so on. You're going to complete all the chapters 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll notice for Chapter 2, there's 4. There's an instruction sheets for Windows, and there's the work for Windows. There's instruction sheets for Mac and work for Mac. For Chapter 2, it's the only one that differs, so please just work in the corresponding one to whatever system you're doing. As far as Chapter 3 and all the rest go, you can do on either operating system. So I'm just going to click into the first sheet right here that says Chapter 2 Instructions for Windows. This is going to be the instructions page, so it's telling us what we're doing. So for example, this is saying in the document properties, we're entering our name as the author and the title Superstore Sales Report. Now, if you do not know how to do this, you can click the video right here, which can also be found on the table of contents, and this will bring you to a short clip showing you one of the TCs completing this action and how you can do it for yourself. All the work that you would do for the instruction page, you're going to do on the corresponding exercise sheet, and that will be the same for all of the tabs and all the chapters. The last thing we just want to remind you all is to please make sure you are saving this file every time you close it, and make sure it is an XLSM file. To double check, you can go to File, Save As, and you could see right here, Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, XLSM. As long as you don't change this file format, it's already in that format, so you do not have to change it again. Please complete all of this and then move on to step 2, which is uploading it, which can be found right here in the direction sheet.